Love the fish. Just a good day to enjoy nature. If I don't catch fish, I'll still be fine with it. It's just beautiful to be out. But we will try to catch some fish. Well, I guess we're gonna go for a ride. Definitely not a crappie. No idea what it is. It's big though. Yeah, no idea what this guy is. See what it is. Come on. Where are you? I wish I had my net with me. Load the kayak right now. Still hasn't show me what he is yet. Arms are getting tired. Come on, man. I'm not gonna let carp are so fun to fight though. Super fun to fight on light gear. Whatever you do, don't break my line. And right there. That's not a crappie. It's a big old carp. All right, carp, you gotta go back home. Whew. That was fun. Arms are sore now. First fish. See what it is. What is it? I think it's a crappie or something. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Wow. That is a nice crappie. That is a really nice crappie. That's a 13, 14 inch crappie. Oh my shit. What a nice crappie. Let's see if I can show you guys here. Thir 13. Yeah, 13. Nice crappie. Just look how massive this guy is. Wow. Thank you, Big Mama. Go back and do your thing. First fish, and it was a slab.